Good morning, students. Now in this video, let us see the property of the Laplace transform. The first property, linearity property of the Laplace transform. Generally, linear meaning is it should satisfy two principles. One is homogeneity, second one is superposition principles. Whenever these two principles are satisfied, then we say that combinedly linear. So let us take first homogeneity principle. Homogeneity principle says that if x of t Laplace transform x of s, okay, then if we multiply the signal in time domain with some constant k, then same constant should be multiplied in the s domain according to the homogeneity principle. Similarly, superposition principle, if we see, what is superposition means is simply addition. Here superposition principle says that if x1 of t Laplace transform x1 of s and x2 of t Laplace transform x2 of s, then we can combine these two signals in time domain according to superposition principle. Correspondingly, those two signals should be added in the s domain. This is what the superposition principle. So combinedly homogeneity and superposition principles gives the linearity. So the statement of linearity property, if we see, if x1 of t Laplace transform x1 of s and x2 of t Laplace transform x2 of s, then a into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t Laplace transform should be, I am writing this one here, Laplace transform of this one should be Laplace transform of a into x1 of t plus Laplace transform of b into x2 of t. That equal to a constant, we can take it outside. So a into Laplace transform of x1 of t plus b constant we can take outside. So b into Laplace transform of x2 of t, so that it can be written as a into Laplace transform of x1 of t is x1 of s plus b into Laplace transform of x2 of t is x2 of s. So b into x2 of s. So what is the Laplace transform of this expression is the linearity property. This should be the answer. So here both homogeneity and superposition principles are satisfied. That we have to verify. Already this linearity we have clearly discussed in the linear systems. Same, there is no difference. Homogeneity and superposition principles both are combined into the linearity. Thank you. And when we use the linearity property means to find this some signals, if we know u of t Laplace transform 1 by s, then what is 5 into u of t Laplace transform? According to homogeneity, this is 5 by s. If we know e power minus at u of t Laplace transform 1 by s plus a, then according to linearity we can find what is the Laplace transform of u of t plus e power minus 5t u of t. Such kind of expressions, by using linearity only we are finding the Laplace transforms, like Laplace transform of u of t 1 by s plus and Laplace transform of this one is 1 by s plus 5, like this. That is some application of Laplace transform linearity property we can see. Right. Simple property, no need to worry. Thank you.